It's just after 2 o'clock p.m. here in Seoul. I'm Devin Whiting, and we're breaking into our regular programming to bring you the latest briefing from the South Korean health authorities. We'll have interpretation in English, and that should begin right now. Let's cut over.
So we will also have the sign language interpretation provided. So our briefing will be carried out for around 40 minutes in total today. So first we will hear the explanation by Vice Head Kwon Junuk. So I will start the regular briefing and the status in Korea about COVID-19. So as of March 15th and as of the midnight, the total confirmed cases amount to 8,162 and 834 people have been discharged. So we see 76 additional confirmed cases, and we saw an increase of those discharged at 120. So we see an increase in those who have been quarantined. So if you look at the regional distribution, we see that additional confirmed cases are being found in Daegu and Gyeongbuk region, but we also see additional cases in the metropolitan areas, including Seoul, Gyeonggi, and Incheon. So if you look at the countrywide situation, we see that over 80% is related to the cluster infection. And of the overall cases, the Shincheonji-related cases still amount to around 60%. So in relation to the Kuro Call Center located in Seoul, we saw an additional 9 cases confirmed compared to what was said yesterday. So we see over 100 patients coming from there. And also, we have looked into the Bucheon City Church, for which one of the confirmed patient has visited, and we have seen additional 13 cases from that church. So we are undergoing investigation in relation to that. And in the Sejong City, related to the Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, from March 9th to today, we saw 29 cases confirmed. And if you look at the path of the infection, that is undergoing investigation, and also for the 790 employees at Ministry of Marine Affairs and Fisheries, the test has been conducted, and we saw around 29 being tested positive, and we saw the rest as being testing negative. So the Central Disaster and Safety Countermeasures Headquarters is inspecting and seeing that there has been cluster infection going in the group facilities like the after-school institutes and the PC cafe. So we believe that it is important to contain those areas. And also it is the weekend today, and we want to ask our citizens to continue to maintain social distancing, such as avoiding any group gatherings, such as the religious gatherings. And also, when you are talking to a person, please be 2 meters away. And if you are coughing, please make sure to cover your mouth and nose with your sleeves. And also, if you do have to actually visit hospitals for inevitable reasons, please make sure to wear a mask. And we want to ask you to continue to maintain social distancing and refrain from visiting any crowded places and any social gatherings. And in order to prevent the virus from entering your bodies, please make sure to wash your hands for a long period of time under the flowing water, and please make sure not to touch your faces. And also for the exposed surfaces, please make sure to wipe it cleanly. So that it was all for the main items of the briefing. So we will have a Q&A session. So first we will get the question.
All right, that's going to conclude this briefing. Another one is scheduled for 5:30 today. That's in about 3 hours. We'll carry that one live if and when it happens. Bye for now.